go a little bit out of the city. I'm going to go to a book bazaar that I've been going to ever since they came here, I think. I don't know. I've been going there since 2019, and then they stopped when the pandemic hits, and now they're here again, so I'm gonna go there. This morning I saw a book that I've been wanting to read on their Insta story, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go there today. So I've arrived. It's 1:52 right now. Okay, I parked really nicely. Like my spot is great. I'm going to bring this tote bag. I'm gonna use my earphones, my TWS. Okay, it's not so crowded here. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm so excited. This is crooked, I don't like it. I'm about to film a TikTok, so yeah. The sun is so bright. I bought like crispy chicken. So good. This is so overexposed. Wait. Let's go back home. So I got home around like 2 hours ago, and now I'm going to take a shower. I don't know if it's just me or not, but my hair always looks so good whenever I'm about to wash it. Like right now I'm about to wash my hair because it's my hair wash day, but it looks so good. Like my curls stayed and my bangs are pretty great. Like, why is this happening? Tell me, why is this happening? Okay, anyways, wait, I think I'm gonna do my book haul first because my hair looks really good. I'm gonna do a book haul. I'm going to show you what I bought from the event of the book bazaar today. I bought 3 books, which is a lot because I actually still have 2 books that I haven't read yet on my bookshelf, but that's okay. I mean, I never regretted buying books. So yeah. Wait. Pipa, jangan ngalamin. Aku bikin video dulu sebentar ya. Sini, temenin aku. The first book that I bought, ta-da! This is called Dash and Lily's Book of Dares. Okay, disclaimer, I actually don't like when real people are on. Wait. I actually don't really like when real people are on the cover, but it's an exception for this book, I guess, because this is actually already got adapted into a Netflix series and I already watched that and it's so good. I love that. I give it 2 thumbs up on the Netflix, and then I found out that it's actually from a book, and so I really wanted to read the book, but then I couldn't find it on my regular imported bookstore that, you know, I usually shop at. I couldn't find it in store or online. Like, this is actually kind of an old book. This is the book that I've been wanting to read for a while now, and I couldn't believe that I found it. The only downside is that this is like the Netflix cover, not like the original cover, because I think they're like kind of a trilogy and their covers are like this. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't mind having their face on it. It's alright. Second book, I cannot believe I bought like winterish book again. But anyway, this is One Winter's Night by Kylie Dunbar? Kylie Dunbar, I think. I love the cover. That's why I bought it. It says right here that it's a cozy winter read that will make you smile. So, I'ma count on that. Hopefully this could make me cozy and smile. A completely uplifting romantic read that will warm your heart. Okay, love it. And last but not least, which is the main thing that made me go there today, like, oh my gosh, When in Rome by Sarah Adams. This book, it's all over my YouTube and also my TikTok. Like, I think this is kind of like a very popular in the book community, I think. Book Talk, BookTube. I really am curious about this. This is the main thing that made me go there. Crossing the border of our city. This is the reason why. I didn't realize that I bought romance books today. Like, literally all romance. I checked out their thriller mystery section, but I couldn't find like the one that really called my name, so I was like, okay, you know what? So that's the book haul that I bought from today's adventure. Bye. See ya.